Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous class, we have discussed question answers and horse. I hope all of you understood. Today we will discuss life skill, value, and writing skill. The first one, life skill. Here is the question. Knowledge gained through experience is far superior to and many times more useful than the theoretical knowledge. This is the above statement in the light of the fact that the hermit didn't answer the king question as soon as they were put to him. As we already have read this in this chapter, this hermit didn't give an answer to the king because he was a very practical man and he wanted that king should know the answer by his own personal experience. So based on this thing, we have to give answer of this question. So the first part, yes, we agree by this statement. Knowledge gained through experience is far superior to and many times more useful than theoretical knowledge. The second part, the king didn't answer the king's question as soon as they were put to him because he also wanted that the king should know the answer of three questions by his own personal experience. I hope all of you clear this question. Now the value. For that purpose alone was man sent into this life. What is this purpose? This is some means of fulfilling this purpose. So here is what is the purpose of human life? So how can we will fulfill this purpose? The purpose of a human being is to help the poor and needy one. We can fulfill this purpose by to do good to others and spreading brotherhood among humans. It is true said that the service to mankind is service to God. I hope all of you clear life skills and value. Now we'll discuss writing skill. Writing skill, here is a one notice. In previous lecture, we have already discussed so many type of notice, laws, found, meeting, competition. But here is a little bit different notices there. On the behalf of the king, write a notice inviting people to respond to his three questions. Mention the question also. As we have read in this chapter, the king was very learned person and he wanted to know the answer of these three questions. So that's why he announced in his kingdom. So on the behalf of the king, you have to put up a notice. So all of you aware about the format of notice writing. You have to draw the box first, write down the institution name as the kingdom is there, then title, then date, then content, and then who is giving the notice. So we will start this thing. So you have first of all, we have to draw the box, then write down the institution name like that ABC Kingdom. So then title, how wise you are. So then date it. Content is there. All the citizens of Russia are informed that whosoever thinks himself a genius come to the royal palace and give the answers of the following question. Which are three questions? The first one, right time to do an action, right person to listen, and the third one, most important task to do. Whosoever will give the most appropriate answers will be rewarded by 100 gold coins, His Majesty King. I hope all of you clear these three questions. Now your lesson is over. All of you have to revise this full lesson at home thoroughly. Thank you. Your homework is there. Revise question answers of lesson 1.